Today Facts Hub present you 8 home remedies for varicose veins. So let's start. You may or may not suffer from them just yet, but one thing is certain. Everyone has seen varicose veins at one point or another in their life. Varicose veins develop when small valves inside your veins stop working properly. 1. Tomato seeds. Tomato seeds contain salicylic acid, which has properties that are similar to aspirin and work as an anticoagulant for preventing blood clots and improving blood flow. Preparation and usage. Chop 2 tomatoes in small pieces. Try not to lose any of the seeds. Put them in the blender for a few seconds until they become a smooth pureed mixture. Apply topically on the skin 3 to 4 times a day, for at least 2 months. If applied to the skin topically, it reduces the appearance of the damaged veins and it influences the thickness, strength, and fluidity of our membrane. 2. Olive oil. Increasing blood circulation is essential when it comes to treating varicose veins. Olive oil has anti-inflammatory, toning, and soothing properties that, after being absorbed through the skin, will reduce the size of vein. Preparation and usage. Add some olive oil to a bowl and warm it up in order to activate it. Using a cotton pad, massage your skin with the warm oil for several minutes. Repeat twice daily for at least 2 months. 3. Garlic, lemon, and olive oil. Garlic is used for many conditions that are related to the heart and the circulatory system. Garlic produces aescin and aescin, which contribute to the prevention of inflamed blood vessels and to the prevention of blood clot. Lemons are high in vitamin C, B6, A, E. The large amounts of vitamin helps to prevent varicose veins, high blood pressure, and skin wrinkling. Preparation and usage. Slice up 10 garlic cloves and crush them with a pestle and mortar until you're left with a paste. Add the paste to a clean jar. Extract the juice from 3 lemons and add it to the jar. Add 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Using a cotton pad, apply to the affected area twice a day for at least 1 month. 4. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper is considered a miracle treatment for varicose veins. It is a rich source of vitamin C and bioflavonoids, which helps to prevent blood clotting. Preparation and usage. Add 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper powder to a cup of hot water and stir it. Drink this mixture 3 times a day for 1 to 2 months. 5. Grapeseed extract. Grape seeds contain antioxidants such as vitamin E, linoleic acid, and several types of flavonoids, which prevent radical damage to blood vessel walls. These components also promote collagen's formation. And grapeseed can prevent fluid from leaking through veins as well as the swelling of legs associated with leakage. Preparation and usage. You can orally consume powdered grape seeds or grapeseed oil. Using grapeseed oil topically also help to relieve pain and inflammation. 6. Horse chestnut. One of the most effective herbal remedies for multiple circulatory diseases including varicose veins is the horse chestnut, which is an extract obtained from Aesculus hippocastanum. Although direct application of horse chestnut's bark to ulcers located on legs is possible, no part of this plant should be ingested in any form since it contains a toxic substance known as esculin. 7. Cabbage. 8. Parsley and rose oil. Massage with these 2 at least 3 times a day can also be very effective. Share your story or problem with us in the comment below. We can learn from each other. If you find this video useful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so they can treat their problem as well. For more video like this, subscribe to our channel and remember to click the notification bell. And also be sure to check out our other video as well. Thanks for watching.